Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more fancy refreshment mocktail. Mocktail name is Mixed Fruit Bloom. How to make that mixed fruit bloom? First of all, just take a tall glass and add some ice cube into the tall glass. Then add two lime slices. Then you have to add some lemon wedges into the. Then you have to add some lime cordial and you have to pour 30 ml of mixed fruit syrup. This is the very refreshment mocktail you can try. Okay, and simply you have to fill the glass with soda and Sprite. And Sprite. And you have to stir the ingredients with the help of bar spoon. Just stir all the ingredients. Okay. Very simple mocktail. Okay, and you can garnish with orange slice, and you can serve with on straw and mint leaf. Your mocktail is ready. This is the mixed fruit blossom mocktail, refreshment mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video, and thank you.